We are going over multiplying fractions and mixed numbers and real world applications. Our learning target is I can multiply and divide positive rational numbers fluently. We are going to go over multiplying fractions and mixed numbers, talk about keywords that you may see in multiplication word problem, do a couple of examples without the words, and then some examples with the words. All right, here we go. If one of the numbers is a whole number, you are going to change it into a fraction by putting that number over 1. If one of the numbers is a mixed number, you are going to convert it to an improper fraction. You are going to cross simplify if possible, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and simplify again if possible. Some keywords you may see in a multiplication word problem: per, each, every, total. There are more, but those are just some examples. All right, we are going to do 2.5 times 2/3. First, we are going to convert this to mixed number into an improper fraction. We multiply the whole number and the denominator. 2 times 2 is 4. Add the numerator, which is 5. So this becomes 5/2 times 2/3. I can cross simplify. So this becomes 5 over 1 times 1/3. And then I'm going to convert this to a mixed number. 3 goes into 5 one time with a remainder of 3. So 1 2/3. Going to change these two mixed numbers to improper fractions. I don't see a cross simplification opportunity here. 9 times 7 is 63. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 can go into 63 3 times with a remainder of 3. So 3 3/20. A smoothie recipe uses 3/4 a cup of yogurt for one serving. If Alex makes 2.5 servings, how much yogurt will he need in total? So we have 3/4 times 2.5. Going to convert this 2.5 to an improper fraction. So I have 3/4 times 5/2. I do not see a cross simplification opportunity here. So 15/8, 8 goes into 15 once with a remainder of 7. So 1 7/8 cups. A swimming pool is 4.5 meters deep. If the divers practice in a swimming pool that is 2 2/3 the depth of that pool, how many meters deep is the pool they dive in? So we have 4.5 times 2 2/3. I'm going to convert these both to improper fractions. I see multiple cross simplification opportunities here. So I end up with 12 meters. 12 over 1, which simplifies to 12 holes. The Thompson family takes their annual trip to the pumpkin patch. Each pumpkin weighs 6 1/4 pounds. If the family picks 4 pumpkins, what is the total weight of the pumpkins? I have 6 and 1/4 times 4. That's a whole number. I'm going to put it over 1. Going to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. I see an opportunity here to cross simplify. So 25 times 1 is 25. 1 times 1. This becomes 25 pounds. A jug of orange juice holds 2 and 2 liters. A cafe serves 3.5 jugs in the morning. In the afternoon, they serve 1/4 as much as they serve in the morning. How many liters of orange juice did they serve in the afternoon? So this is actually a multi-step problem. We have to figure out how much they serve in the morning, and then we have to multiply that by 4 to figure out how much they serve in the afternoon. So we have 3.5 times 2, 2 and 2/3 first. Convert these to improper fractions. We have 56 over 6. Then I'm going to multiply that by a 4th. I see a cross simplification opportunity here. So now we have 14/6, which simplifies to 6 goes into 14 2 times with a remainder of 2/6. That simplifies to 2 1/3 liters. Thank you guys for watching.